Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we're going to make a hot dog casserole. Yes, there is such a thing. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to start off with is the topping that we're actually going to pour over the casserole. And what I have in here is 2 cups of pancake mix. You could use Red Lobster's Old Bay biscuit mix, or you could use any kind of biscuit mix. But pancake mix is also a biscuit mix, and it's only $2.19. So there's where I'm saving, because this is the Budget Kitchen. But if you can afford more, hey, spend more if you wish. So we're gonna go in with some garlic powder. Just measure with your heart. You know, you like a lot of garlic, throw it in there. Then we're going to go in there with cheddar cheese. Nice handful, okay? All right. And then we are going to go in there with, this is 1.5 cups of milk. Yes, you absolutely could use water, and I would so, but what I need to do is get rid of some milk, because we're not big milk drinkers as maybe we should be. So mix up your pancake mix. Mix that topping up really good. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is what I would do different next time. All right. I think it would have been easier to mix the pancake mix and milk together and then throw in the cheese. Okay? So remember that if you're deciding you're going to make this recipe. Just a little side tip there, okay? Okay, now cut up a pack of hot dogs. Something like this. Or if you like them even chunkier, hey, go chunky, okay? Don't deprive yourself of the chunks. You just got to do what you got to do. Okay, and I do have a bowl right here. I'm just going to put those in there. And I'm going to grab the rest of my hot dogs right here and get those cut up. We don't eat hot dogs often. But I said to myself, you know, let's have hot dogs. Let's make something hot doggy. Okay, so I feel it would be safe if we just went with 2 packages. This is also good for leftovers. I can't believe I took that whole pack and then cut it. Okay, now the hot dogs are cut up. This is a 16 ounce of mixed vegetables. Throw it in there. Then this is 1 big onion. Throw her in there. Okay, we're going to make another mixture. I feel like I'm dirtying way too many dishes here today, but that is okay. I have a sink. I can wash them. We're going to get a can of cheddar cheese and cream of potato. Okay, there's my cream of soups, cheddar cheese, and cream of potato. I'm going to use 1 cup of milk because in my head, I'm envisioning that with the topping, I don't want this to be dry, okay? So this is why I'm doing this. Okay, so go ahead and mix. Just mixy up your soups. So this is kind of like what I was looking for. Yeah, nah. I know this all sounds crazy, friends. Just trust the process. Okay. Here we go. I was like, where did my spoon go? And then we mix. Yeah, I felt like it really did need that milk, especially to help mix it. Okay, looking pretty good. Friends, start your oven to 350. Also, spray your baking dish, okay? Then, oh boy. Are you a mess maker in your kitchen? Comment below. Sometimes I just feel like you're really not cooking unless you're making a mess. Oh boy, that's heavy. Now pour your mixture in. So, you could have did all of this mixing and stuff inside the baking dish. I don't know. I just would just rather do it this way and make sure everything was really, really mixed up. All right, and then flatten that all out. Okay, I think it looks good. Oh, we need that hot dog. So it looks like, see, the hot dogs are everywhere. I like that. That's exactly what I was looking for. And then, do you remember that pancake mix? Yeah. Let's get that now poured on here. I'm hoping I don't have to make more of this. I hope I did the right... Okay, I don't want to say the right measurements because there are no measurements. I am just winging it, friends, okay? Normally the things you're just winging are the best. There are times I have just thrown some crap together that kind of looked a little scary at moments. And the husband said, "Oh my God, how did you do that?" And I said, "I don't know." I just did it. Okay. Sorry, that was probably a bit loud. I just want to make sure I got everything. All right. You know what? I'm excited to taste this. How the pancake mixed with the garlic and the cheddar all mixed up together. I'm honest, I cannot wait to taste that. Here we go with this now. Let's take some cheddar cheese. Just sprinkle it on top. However much cheese you want. Okay. All right. We're going to throw this in the oven on 350. I am going to go for, let's go 30 minutes and I'll check it. I will keep track of the time for you. And I forgot to add that I don't think I'm going to put, a cover on it. I am just going to throw it in there just as it is. Okay, I ended up leaving that in the oven for an hour. Yes, so that was double the time. So I really wanted to make sure that the topping got done. Look at the cheese. Yes, that is done and looks good. Okay, I'm just going to get into a little corner. Okay, I am really glad that I put that milk in there. I almost feel like flipping it over. Okay, why feel? Let's just do it. Okay, yeah, look at that. Okay, let's... Oh, yeah, very done. I need to put the plate down. Okay, because I want to get a little bit of everything. Oh, this is so hot. Yeah, I really like that. It looks good and it smells good. Got plenty of hot dog in it for sure. Okay, I'm gonna put my plate down again just so I can taste it. This is really good. This is definitely a cheap budget meal. And I love the topping. I really do like that topping. So we're just adding a little bit more. Okay, friends. Tell me if you like that idea. Also, let me know where you're watching from. I like to read all of the comments. So friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Want to see more budget-friendly videos? Please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.